guys an update and announcing 2 winners of 2 free Nintendo Switches. So you've probably been wondering where we've been for the last few months. We've kind of took like a brief 3-month or 4-month hiatus for multiple reasons.
Mostly because we're angry.
Well, yeah, some of us are angry. So we had a TikTok, and we were making a Team Psycosmos TikTok. We were doing videos every single day for about 3 months straight. We were just at the cusp of 10,000 followers on TikTok, and of course TikTok banned our account. And now this is something that we've had a reoccurring issue with over the last 3 years.
Videos getting banned,
right?
Community guidelines,
violations, and things like that. And mainly, it's just been talking about the human body. We're really not talking about anything political or anything hyper extensive like that. But because of the state of the world today, you can't really talk about things in a free manner. So it's been a little bit difficult for us. We've spent a few months doing a lot of reconstructive thinking, a lot of thoughts on how we can really evolve and grow ourselves. And so what we ended up doing was we ended up focusing and honing in on our personal lives, trying to kind of rebrand the type of content that we want to create for you guys. The other thing that we've been doing is we've been working on our book. So the big announcement is that our book is actually finished. It's done. If I didn't have to redact or kind of edit the book down, it would be over 1,000 pages. We were kind of shocked at that size because of how long we've been writing and working on this book and how big it is. We're going to put up the book right here for you guys. The book itself is titled Psycosmos, a synthesis on human history and spirituality. It's a very in-depth book. It's going to have about 72 chapters, all of which is going to be information about human history and spirituality as we've evolved over time, as well as talking about the future and where we can expect to head with all this information. I've already had a lot of people reviewing it. We wanted to give a shout out to our friends Kelly Marie Kerr, who wrote the foreword to the book, as well as our friend Yaira, who did a lot of reviewing for the book as well. You guys are phenomenal. We've gotten great feedback. And of course all the other people that I won't name who I've also sent the book to, a lot of our friends and family members. Thank you so much for reviewing the book. It's been awesome. That book will be expected to come out sometime probably around summer. Although the book is finished, it does take some time to get published and edited properly. We have an editor working on the book right now, and it's probably going to take another 6 months or so. But speaking of the book, it is going to be intertwined with our next giveaway, and we will get into that. But first, let's cover the 5,000 subscriber Psycosmos Nintendo Switch giveaway. Let's cover that. So after almost 2 years of waiting and 4,000 additional subscribers who have joined us on our journey, we can now announce the 2 exclusive winners of the Nintendo Switch.
That's right.
For our 5,000 sub giveaway. And the winner is, can somebody give me a drum roll please? Our 2 winners for the Nintendo Switch are...
Bing bong, here are the winners.
You guys won a Nintendo Switch. We've sent you guys emails to the emails that you used to sign up for the initial giveaway. But don't click away, don't unsubscribe right just yet, because we're going to be doing another giveaway where we will also be giving away a Nintendo Switch, as well as a number of other prizes. This giveaway special because we are focused on ramping up. We are getting involved with the community. We want to hear more from you guys. We are going to be...
Speaking of which, join our Discord, please. We've been actually much more active in it lately.
Yep.
Tons of information there for you guys.
That's right. So go and be a part of our community because we're going to be growing with you guys. We have spent years trying to master the craft of what kind of videos work, what kind of content you want to see, what you don't, as well as juggling it alongside of all of these copyright strikes and community guideline violations that we get because we're breaking down and synthesizing all this wonderful information for you guys. And we know a lot of people who are in this spiritual realm who are also getting silenced because of the information that they're sharing. We are going to try our very best to come at you guys with content that's not going to get removed, content that's going to grow, and make you grow as an individual.
Spot on. Little note on that, everyone. We're turning a big corner in the new year.
Yep.
Make sure you keep your heads positive. Tons of stuff is coming your way. Manifest, manifest, manifest.
We've been manifesting a lot of great things, and that's kind of why we've had to take a step back from creating content. We've been trying to make sure that we're putting together a perfect formula. That way we won't have to keep getting our accounts removed and our videos taken down. And I mean, we spend hours and hours and hours on some of these videos, especially the ones that go on YouTube, the ones that go on TikTok, not so much, but still we're making that content every single day. And to be silenced and to be put down because of the valuable information we're trying to share with the world, we can tell that we're on the right path. We have the right message because, again, this isn't political. This is something that is, completely autonomous. We're talking about bodily autonomy and how to heal yourself and connect with the universe. That's what Psycosmos is really all about. So, at the end of the day, we have a lot of great things in store for you guys. Congrats again to the winners of the Nintendo Switch. We will be giving away more prizes. In the upcoming giveaway, we're going to be giving away 3 signed copies of our books. And we're also going to be giving away 2 Amazon $50 gift cards, and 1 lucky winner will, again, win that Nintendo Switch. Now, it's a lofty goal. We're not asking for 10,000 subscribers or 50. We're asking for 100,000 subscribers. What? That's right. And we believe that we can get there because, as we've seen, we've been building this community of people who never give up and always want to spread that love, wisdom, and positivity in the world. We love you guys more than anything. We're so sorry we've been a little silent, but I promise you it's been worth it. We've been setting up things in our private lives so that we can give you guys more content, give you guys more giveaways, give you guys more valuable info without it getting taken down. And we've also been working on this book so diligently. Personally speaking, I've been working on the book like 4 hours every single day for the last like 6 months.
You guys need to understand, because he's not going to say it, he has been just absolutely dedicated to getting this book out and compiling it over 10 years of research and information and putting tons of thoughts into making this book a reality for everyone to enjoy. And it's something that, from being on the back end and helping Matt work on it, I know it's going to help change the world. So
and shout out
stay
to
tuned
Tyler.
for that.
Shout out to Tyler because he's the one that made the awesome cover. So we've been working on this as a team collective. I know Dan's trying to give me a lot of props, but everybody in Team Psycosmos, every one of us has been working due diligently on getting this book to you guys. And I promise you, I've had people who are in their 50s who are reading it and they're saying it's changing their life. So please make sure that you go check out the book when it does release. It is awesome. Again, it's Psycosmos, a synthesis on human history and spirituality. Subtitle, A Collection for Understanding the Universe. It'll be coming out probably within the next 6 months, so stay tuned for that. Go click the link down below if you want to enter our Gleam giveaway for all those amalgamation of prizes that I named. Make sure you also go check out our Discord. Go follow us in there. We want to give a shout out to our friend who had followed us on Patreon. She's donating $9.99 a month to us. We really, really appreciate it. We're sending her a coffee mug in the mail.
Thank you very much, Kristen. You should be seeing that in the mail soon.
Exactly. If you also go and check out our Patreon, you'll be able to find a whole bunch of neat prizes and things that we'll be able to send to you, depending on what kind of tier that you go for. But please consider supporting us on Patreon because every single person helps. We really, truly appreciate it. Also, go follow us on all of our social media, Twitter, Instagram. We will be making a new TikTok very, very soon, probably before the end of January. It's just we're trying to reevaluate how we want to do the TikTok because last time, again, we got banned really hard. And when you're trying to build communities, and we've had so much success, but also so many hiccups and bumps along the way, which are really outside of our control. So any support that you guys can give to us is truly, truly appreciated. And make sure that you stick around because we might be giving out free samples of this book as time goes on. That way you guys can get more involved and more included. Make sure you share this giveaway with all your friends and family members so that they can get involved as well. We had over 2,000 entries in our previous giveaway, so let's try to 100x that. We want 200,000 entries in this next giveaway for our 100,000 subscriber special. So thank you once again so much, all of you guys. Much love. Take care. Have a great day.
And always remember,
Never give up!